Hello my dear subscribers and new guests who came for the first time to the channel Gilda workshop. Who doesn't know, my name is Alice and I love to create handmade accessories. You can find different tutorials for both beginners and experienced professional on my channel. Among them are hair accessories, earrings, bracelets, brooches, necklaces, rings and other works. You can buy accessories from my online store as well as order custom jewelry for your special day. The link will be in the description below. In this video, I would like to show you my new works, these brooches with the base in vintage style. For their creation, I used seed beads, acrylic and fabric flowers, crystal beads, metal accessories, felt, jewelry wire and many other materials. Each work is unique, original and has no analogs. These brooches reflect the Baroque style, which I love very much. Each product is a long and laborious work made with mixed technique and unique idea. These brooches will fit both business and holiday look. If you don't know how to give as a present and want to make an original gift to yourself or your loved ones, these brooches can be the best solution for you. If you have any questions, write to me in social networks and direct messages. I will be happy to answer you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, write to me your feedback about new works. See you soon on Gilda Workshop. Bye bye!